Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to see how to work with worksheet in Microsoft Excel. Currently, in this workbook has single worksheet, sheet 1. Now, how we create a new worksheet? If I right click on the sheet tab, a context menu will appear. If I click on insert, I will get a dialog box. Various options are available here. I want to insert worksheet, so select worksheet and press OK. A new worksheet, sheet 2, has been created just before the worksheet I selected. We can also create a new worksheet by clicking on the plus icon. A new worksheet, sheet 3, has been created just after the worksheet I selected. Sheet 4, sheet 5, sheet 6, sheet 7, sheet 8, sheet 9, sheet 10, sheet 11, sheet 12. If we want to work on a sheet, we need to select it first. Let's write something here. If you have lots of sheets in the workbook and all are not visible in the bar, then you would have to click on the right or left arrow to make those sheets visible. Or you can right click here and then select your sheet from the dialog box and click on OK. For rename a worksheet, right click on the sheet and click on rename. Enter the name you want to and press enter. If you want to copy a sheet into a different workbook, what will we do? Right click on the sheet, a context menu will open. Then click on move or copy. A dialog box has appeared. For move the sheet into a new workbook, select new book, then press OK. To move the sheet within the same workbook, select the sheet first. Select book 1 because name of this workbook is book 1. Then select the option where you want to see the sheet. If you want a copy, then click on the checkbox or a new one will be created and the existing one will be deleted. Now, how we can hide a sheet in Microsoft Excel? Again, right click on the sheet you want to hide and then click on hide. The sheet will be hidden. If I want to unhide a sheet, what will I do? Again, right click on any sheet and then select unhide. A dialog box will open. Dialog box will show all hidden sheets. I want to unhide sheet 11. So select sheet 11, then press OK. We can add various colors to tabs in order to distinguish them easily. For add a color, right click on the sheet, then select tab color and then select a color. If we want to create different sheets with same format, how to do that? We can create one, then copy and paste every time you want to the same format. Or we can use a simple trick. Hold the shift key and click on sheets you want to do same. I am selecting sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5. Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4 are selected. Now I will type something. Now first come out from the selected sheets and see the changes made to all the files. For delete a sheet, right click on the sheet and then select delete. If you protect your Excel worksheet with a password, it can help to hide your sensitive data from others. For set a password to protect a sheet, go to the Home tab, locate the cells group and click on the Format button, then click on Protect Sheet. A dialog box will appear. In the dialog box, enter a password in the password field. You can also specify various options for what users can do on the protected sheet. Click OK to apply the protection to the sheet. Now no one is able to edit hidden rows and columns to view sensitive data. Alternatively, you can right click on the sheet tab and click on Protect Sheet to open the same dialog box. That's all for today. Thank you. For more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.